officially underway, and on your screen, all 100 players, arguably the biggest day of their entire lives. Can he find the 9th elimination?
Esports is this thing founded by gamers and businessmen. It's this industry that's founded by this collaboration between the two. My name is Lorenzo Browne. I'm from Kansas City, Kansas. I'm the founder and CEO of Kansas City Pioneers eSports. People that stream on Twitch, Mixer, even YouTube. There's guys that have just posted memes that are involved that are making thousands a day in esports just from making content for organizations. It's something that they grew up doing. It's a passion that they have. Same reason why you could go to an NFL player and ask them, why do you want to be in the NFL? Why are you here? And it's just that their passion. I've mentored many pro players, amateur players. I know a lot of them. I've been to events, I've met them. One of the best Call of Duty players, his name's Slacked. He actually lives here in Kansas City. They put in 4 to 12 hours a day. So they're putting in tons of time into these games. Whoever puts in the most time, those are the best teams. The age limits, there really are none, which is another reason it's really popular, because it expands from such a young age group to such an older age group.
I stream daily. I could go all the way up to like 10 hours. I've done like a 15-hour stream before, but I try to make it as long as I can. Yesterday I did like an 8-hour stream. There
was 13 and 14, 15-year-olds at that Fortnite World Cup event. That's why we have the 16-year-old that won the $3 million. There's 13 and 14-year-olds at that event.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's no way anyone beats him. Your Fortnite World Champion, Booga!
Esports is getting bigger, and it's not going to stop. It's going to keep growing. A lot of parents and a lot of just people in general have trouble believing and seeing that this is an actual industry and that you can actually make this your career. If your child wants to do this, I think they should be supported. Look at the growth of it. Look at the viewership, look at the revenue in it, and just see where it's actually going. And because a lot of kids could be actually successful from this. A lot of kids are successful from this right now. So.